Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Terraria using an easy method. First, create a new character and select a small world size for a more manageable experience. Your initial goal is to gather wood from trees using your axe. With about 10 pieces of wood, craft a workbench. Then, use the workbench to build a simple shelter with walls, a door, and a roof before the first night arrives. This will protect you from early enemies. Now that you have a basic shelter, it is time to craft essential tools. At your workbench, create a wooden sword for combat, a wooden pickaxe for mining, and a wooden axe for gathering. Venture underground to mine for stone and iron ore, which are crucial for upgrading your equipment. Also, defeat slimes on the surface to collect gel. Combine it with wood to craft torches, providing much-needed light in dark areas. With your basic tools, you can now focus on expanding your base. Build additional rooms, each at least 6 blocks wide and 10 blocks high, to accommodate non-player characters or NPC. For an NPC to move in, each room needs a table, a chair, and a light source, like a torch. Ensure all rooms have complete background walls and a door. Attracting NPCs provides access to shops and helpful services. As your base grows, begin exploring more extensively. Venture into caves and across the surface to discover new biomass and gather valuable resources like silver or gold ore. Defeat various early enemies, such as zombies and demon eyes, to collect crafting materials like lenses and rotten chunks. Use these materials to craft stronger armor and weapons, preparing you for your first major challenge, often a boss like the Eye of Cthulhu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.